Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Winter Wardrobe. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I'm looking for some winter clothes. The weather is getting cold now.
Yes, you're right. Winter is coming soon. What type of winter clothes do you need?
I need a warm jacket, some sweaters, and maybe a scarf. Can you show me what you have?
Of course. We just received our new winter collection last week. Please come this way.
Great. I'm excited to see the new collection.
Here we are. This section has all our winter items. We have jackets, coats, sweaters, scarves, gloves, and winter hats.
Wow. You have so many options. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. Let me help you. First, tell me, do you prefer heavy jackets or light ones?
I prefer something in the middle. Not too heavy, but warm enough for cold weather.
Perfect. I have just the right thing for you. Look at this jacket. It's made from high-quality material, and it's very warm, but not too heavy.
Oh, this looks nice. What material is it made from?
It's made from polyester with fleece lining inside. The fleece keeps you warm, and the outer layer protects you from wind.
That sounds perfect. Does it come in different colors?
Yes, we have it in black, navy blue, dark gray, and maroon. Which color do you like?
I like the navy blue one. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. What's your size?
I usually wear medium size.
Here's a medium in navy blue. The fitting room is over there, behind that curtain.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Mr. Johnson, I'm back. What do you think? How does it look?
It looks excellent on you. The fit is perfect, not too tight, not too loose.
I like it too. But is it really warm enough for very cold days?
Yes, definitely. This jacket can handle temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. Many customers wear it throughout the entire winter.
That's reassuring. How much does it cost?
This jacket is $65, but let me tell you something. We're running a special winter sale this week.
Really? What kind of sale?
If you buy 2 or more winter items, you get 25% off on everything.
Oh, that's a great deal. I was planning to buy sweaters and a scarf anyway.
Wonderful! So you'll definitely save money today. Would you like to see the sweaters now?
Yes, please. I need at least 2 sweaters.
Follow me. Our sweater collection is right here. We have different styles: turtlenecks, crew necks, V-necks, and cardigans.
I prefer crew neck sweaters. They're more comfortable for me.
Good choice. Look at these. They're made from wool blend, very soft and warm.
These are beautiful. I love this cream-colored one. Do you have it in my size?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium size in cream color. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. And can I also see that burgundy one?
Of course. Here's the burgundy in medium size too. Both colors are very popular this season.
Thank you. Let me try these on. The cream one fits perfectly. It's so soft and comfortable.
That's because it's 60% wool and 40% cotton. It gives you warmth without being itchy.
What about the burgundy one? Does it have the same material?
Yes, exactly the same blend. All our premium sweaters use this combination.
Great. I'll take both sweaters. How much are they?
Each sweater is $35, so 2 sweaters would be $70.
Okay. Now I need a scarf. What do you recommend?
We have excellent scarves. Come, let me show you our scarf collection.
These are lovely. There are so many patterns and colors.
Yes, we have plain colors, striped ones, and these with checkered patterns. What's your preference?
I think a plain color would be better. It will match all my clothes easily.
Smart thinking. What color do you want? We have gray, black, beige, red, and navy blue.
The beige one looks elegant. Is it warm enough?
Very warm. It's made from wool and acrylic. It's also very soft on the skin, not rough at all.
Can I feel it?
Sure. Here you go.
Oh, it's really soft. I like it. How much is this scarf?
This scarf is $18.
Perfect. I'll take it. Now let me calculate everything.
Let me help you with that. You're getting one jacket for $65, two sweaters for $70, and one scarf for $18. That's $153 total.
And with the 25% discount?
Yes, let me calculate. 25% of $153 is $38.25. So your final price is $114.75.
Wow, I'm saving almost $40. That's amazing.
Yes, it's a very good deal. Our winter sale is popular for a reason.
I'm really happy. But wait, I just remembered, I also need warm socks. Do you sell those?
Yes, we do. We have thermal socks that are perfect for winter. They're right here.
How much are they?
They come in packs of 3 pairs for $12.
That's reasonable. Do they come in different colors?
Yes, we have black, gray, white, and mixed color packs.
I'll take the mixed color pack. More variety is always good.
Excellent choice. So now your total is $126.75, including the socks with the discount applied.
Wait, I have a question. If I add the socks, do I still get the 25% discount on everything?
Absolutely. The discount applies to all items when you buy 2 or more winter products.
Perfect. That's fair. I'm ready to pay them.
Wonderful. But before we go to the counter, do you need winter gloves or a hat?
Oh, I didn't think about gloves. Let me see what you have.
We have these touchscreen gloves. You can use your phone while wearing them.
Really? That's so convenient. I always have to remove my gloves to use my phone.
Yes, these have special material on the fingertips. Very practical for young people like you.
How much are they?
They're $15 per pair.
Do you have them in black?
Yes, we have black, gray, and brown. What size do you need?
Medium size, please. I'll take the black ones.
Here you are. These will be very useful during winter.
Thank you. Now I think I have everything I need.
Great. Let's go to the checkout counter. Your new total with gloves is $141.75.
That's still a good deal with all these items.
So, let me confirm your items. 1 navy blue jacket, 2 sweaters, cream and burgundy, 1 beige scarf, 1 pack of thermal socks, and 1 pair of black gloves. Is that correct?
Yes, that's everything.
Perfect. Your total is $141.75. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay with my card, please.
Sure. You can insert your card in this machine here.
Okay, done. Is that it?
Yes, payment successful. Let me pack everything nicely for you.
Thank you. Do you have a big bag? I have many items.
Don't worry, I'll give you 2 bags so it's easier to carry.
That's very thoughtful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt. Keep it safe in case you need to exchange anything.
Can I exchange items if needed?
Yes, you have 14 days to exchange any item if it doesn't fit or if you change your mind. Just bring the receipt and the item with tags still attached.
That's good to know. But I don't think I'll need to exchange anything. Everything fits perfectly.
I'm glad to hear that. Is this your first time shopping here?
Yes, it is. My friend recommended your store. She said you have good quality clothes at reasonable prices.
That's wonderful. Please thank your friend for the recommendation. We try our best to provide quality products.
You definitely do. I'm very satisfied with my purchase today.
I'm happy to hear that. By the way, do you want to join our customer loyalty program? It's free.
What are the benefits?
You get points for every purchase. When you collect 100 points, you get a $10 discount voucher. You also receive notifications about special sales and new arrivals.
That sounds great. How do I join?
Just give me your phone number and email address. I'll register you immediately.
Okay. My phone number is 555-0123, and my email is emmawilson@email.com.
Perfect! I've registered you. You already have 20 points from today's purchase.
Wow, that was quick. Thank you.
You're welcome. You'll receive a confirmation email in a few minutes.
Great. I'll check it later.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think that's everything. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you for your excellent service. I'll definitely come back when I need more clothes.
We'd love to see you again. Don't forget, we'll have a New Year's sale in December with even bigger discounts.
Really? That's exciting. I'll mark it on my calendar.
Yes, it's our biggest sale of the year. Many customers wait for it.
I can imagine. I'll definitely visit again.
Wonderful. Stay warm this winter with your new clothes.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care and see you soon.
Key vocabulary you learned today. Winter clothes, jacket, coat, sweater, scarf, gloves, hat, thermal socks. Shopping phrases. Can I try it on? What size do you have? How much does it cost? Do you have this in another color? I'll take it. Describing clothes. Heavy, light, warm, cold, soft, rough, tight, loose, comfortable, uncomfortable. Useful expressions. That's a great deal. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Let me calculate. That's reasonable. Perfect fit. Practice questions. What winter clothes did Emma buy from the store? How much discount did Emma get? What special feature did the gloves have? How many days does Emma have to exchange items? Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. Comment below and answer this question. What winter clothes do you need to buy this season? Which item from this conversation would you buy first? The jacket, sweaters, scarf, or gloves? We read every comment, and we'd love to know your answer. Don't be shy. Even a short comment helps you practice your English writing. Also tell us, what other shopping situations would you like to learn about? Grocery shopping? Electronic shopping? Shoe shopping? Your suggestions help us make better videos for you. Don't forget, like this video if you learned something new today. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our English learning videos. Share this video with your friends, classmates, or family members who are learning English. Help them improve too. Comment your answers. We reply to as many comments as possible. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident. Remember, the more you practice, the better you become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They help you learn. Coming next is At a Restaurant, Ordering Food in English. Subscribe so you don't miss it.